Today we are going to discuss 8 game-changing VS Code extensions that will completely transform your coding workflow. 1. Better comments. If you've ever looked back at your code and wondered what that comment was supposed to mean, this extension is your solution. Better Comments transforms plain text comments into visually organized annotations with different colors for alerts, informational notes, and to-dos. 2. Code Snap. We've all needed to share code snippets, whether for tutorials, documentation, or showing off our work to friends. But regular screenshots often look messy and unprofessional. CodeSnap solves this by generating beautiful, polished images of your code with customizable themes and formatting. With just a few clicks, you can create stunning code snapshots that look like they came straight from a design magazine. 3. Colorize. If you work with CSS, you know how frustrating it can be to remember what hashtag FF5733 or RGB255, 87, 51 actually looks like. Colorize eliminates this guesswork by displaying tiny color swatches directly next to color values in your code. Whether you're using hex codes, RGB, or HSL, you'll see an instant visual preview right in your editor. This simple but powerful feature saves you constant trips to browsers or design tools and helps you visualize your color schemes instantly. 4. HTML and tag labels. If you've ever worked with complex HTML structures, you know the pain of trying to figure out which closing tag matches which opening tag, especially when you have multiple nested divs. This extension adds clarity by displaying what each closing tag corresponds to. When you see divs, it shows the class and ID at the closing tag, making your HTML much easier to navigate and debug. 5. Figure. How often do you find yourself switching between your code and a separate diagramming tool? Figure brings diagramming directly into VS Code, letting you create flowcharts, architecture diagrams, and sketches without leaving your editor. With intuitive drawing tools, you can visualize ideas, map out systems, or plan projects right alongside your code. 6. Highlight matching tag. If you work with HTML or XML, you know how easy it is to get lost in nested tags. This extension makes navigation effortless by instantly highlighting the opening or closing tag that pairs with your selected tag. When you click on divs, it automatically highlights the matching divs, saving you from manually searching through nested code. 7. Auto rename tag. We've all been there, you change an opening tag but forget to update the closing one, leading to frustrating errors. This extension solves that by automatically updating paired HTML/XML tags when you rename one. When you change button to H1, it instantly updates the closing tag too. 8. Auto-close tag. Auto-close tag. This extension boosts your HTML/XML coding speed by automatically adding closing tags as you type. When you enter divs, it instantly inserts the closing tag for divs, making it easier to code faster. If you find this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more video. Drop a comment and let me know what extension you like.